Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to sell BTT tokens on Binance Exchange. First you need to open the Binance Exchange. Then you need to click on trade here. After that you need to click here again. Then you will see a page like this. First you have to search for BTT here. So here I am searching for BTT. Then you can see BTTC/USDT has appeared here. This is the new name for the BTT token. So you need to click on BTTC/USDT at the top. Then you need to click on the limit again here and select the market option for instant sell. After that you have to enter the amount here in order. What you want to sell. I will sell 100 BTTC tokens here, so I'm inputting 100. Then you need to click again on sell BTTC here. Then your BTT tokens will be sold within the Binance exchange. So, in that way, you can sell BitTorrent tokens in the Binance exchange. If you like the video, please give it a like. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.